Please check the original door is normal before installation. Removing the door trim panel. Remove the screws shown. Take out the steel rope. Disconnect the plug. Remove the original car lock block. Remove the mechanical key lock cylinder latch needs to be repositioned. Assemble electric suction lock. Connect the outer handle wire. Pay attention to the socket of the mechanical key. Install the electric suction lock to the door. Connect the positive and negative wires. Pay attention to the plug position. The fixed wire cannot affect the rise and fall of the door glass. Test the effect of electric suction door.